In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in TikTok Shop. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Once you're there, you can see this left sidebar. Proceed to click on Products option right here. Now from this, click on the Add Products button. Once you have clicked on this part, just click on this add product, or you can also list an existing product, sync with other platforms such as CJ Dropshipping. You can also upload in bulk by uploading CSV or input right here not for sale products. For this case, I'll just do this add product option. Once we're there, you just need to fill out this basic information about your product. You can just upload your main image, input right here the product name. So for example, let's name this shirt. Input right here the category. Sometimes they auto-detect by clicking on these two suggestions. You can choose which one right here is getting applied. Click on this apply option. From there, you just need to input right here the brand, or it can be no brand, or choose from the options right here. Now you can also input right here the size type. Let's choose normal type, and input right here the product details. So input right here the product details for your actual product. And also upload videos and input right here the sales information by inputting the price and stock and quantity. Let's input right here this. And then from this case, just input right here the prices as well as if you have any discounts available. Now from there, you can also upload a size chart, or you can upload an image or select from existing templates that you have available. From this case, once you're done, head over and click on the submit for review once you're done with everything. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.